Everyone, it's my birthday.
Alright, where are we going today?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Supercharged.
You're gonna get lost with
And
us.
halal hot
I'm not gonna get lost. I'm gonna hurt, maybe.
It's okay.
And halal hot pot. Let's
Well, not flying.
We're finally at the location. That is so cute.
Oh, this is tomato. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Is it sizzles? And then, okay.
It has to be vertical. Who said that, bro?
For her YouTube channel.
But for the candle, you need someone to light it up, and you have to put
Exactly.
Put like this.
Okay, you. Chama do this.
Everyone,
Everyone, it's my birthday.
you should do that.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Tell them to.
Dress up like you look like in a pajama.
Oh, on the phone, like that. Okay, wait.
It has to be just you. Wait. You have to hold it. Where's the cake stand?
Everyone, it's my birthday.
Baby.
First of all, let me see the camera. What happened?
What? What happened?
What?
What happened now? God damn.
I'm drunk. All right. Zoom.
What? 1, 2.
Everyone, it's my birthday.
Blow.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, I.
No, I don't want to.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Siri. Happy birthday to you. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 30?
What's up with the pickled?
Wow, Siri, you're so
Wow.
Siri
I've never
will
had
know.
this. This looks really nice.
Wait, let's take a picture for what else?
No, let me get this out.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna throw it back.
Wait a minute.
If he says they're boiled, I'm not gonna lie.
The spicy one?
Where's the spicy one?
I think this is the spicy one. I think.
No,
That looks sweet. That looks spicy.
Yeah.
I just want a spicy one.
Here, this side, this
So I'm
side.
gonna take a sweet one.
Darker is usually spicier.
What you really need is the hot one sauce challenge, and then
Yes,
can we do? Do you want to do that?
you should.
Do it.
We can do it between 90 and 55.
Do it.
90 will win.
90 won't win.
90 will win.
No, you.
think that you have no idea.
She hasn't been north yet.
You have
I
You
love
got
spicy,
me,
but
you got O'Sullivan.
I got Surge. I got I got Gillard. I
got
got Valentine. You got
Alex.
me.
But she was like the location is.
I love the
That's
freaking.
really
Really?
Okay, maybe.
I've been eating Carolina Reapers with Serge.
You've been training in the trenches.
Yeah, Serge made. Serge, you know, Serge made his own pepper, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he.
I was in the Bronx.
How do you poke this?
You open.
Oh.
Zipper on the top.
Ooh, syringe. You're drinking on the job.
Shake it first.
Drinking it up. Just so you know.
In January, we're gonna go to Kingsbridge Heights Community Center and see if we can make them a discount.
Gratification.
As a what?
Are you 1? Are you 22?
What do we have here? Who do we have here? And what brings you here? Salty? Today I just.
Brandon's coming in here. Everybody back up. Everybody, give some room.
Thank you, thank you. Fragile?
Yes.
It's fragile.
Came here, Baron, get everybody.
Yours is gonna be under the Christmas tree now.
Only her favorite partners.
Open it.
Huh? No.
No, she has eyelashes.
She got lashes.
I got.
Yes.
Wow! Oh my gosh, so fit, so colorful. Oh, look at your eyes.
Oh, that's right. FDNY shirt.
I know.
Oh, where you get this from?
Sunday.
Where you get that from? Get that from?
Wine and painting with friends.
Oh, so cute.
That's cool.
On that Hollywood Boulevard.
What is that?
It goes with the rest of it.
A magnet?
It's a magnet, but it goes with the rest.
I've never heard of this.
Coffee, the fucking heat in my
I should
mouth.
be the.
I have never heard of a magnet nail polish gel. Oh shit.
Get it off me.
Yo tenía un vaso. Here.
Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
No status. Wow.
Because over here you need your own cups. Oh wow. Perfect. Oh my god, these are the shiny colors.
They didn't have all the colors. So this one, so the dark colors,
One's always here.
these dark colors are,
She's in the locker.
it's these three. These three, is it this one? Yeah, these three are the magnet.
Oh.
Even though that's just black.
I
I
got
don't know.
YouTube how to do
This
it.
one is, this one isn't. This is a
Oh, wait,
regular
you have
gel.
it, right?
This is the company that I have the dipping powder that I don't fucking use. I think
Oh my
this is
God.
a Paris.
Record button.
I
Oh, she
know.
didn't put the record
It
button?
is recording.
It's not recording.
It is.
Are you sure?
Oh, good.
No. So this is the company where I have the dipping powder that I don't use. I didn't know they do gel.
Nail boo.
I just found out they did gel.
Yep. Let's see.
I will follow you.
Oh, we can take a picture. Like.
Uh-huh.
Sing, this is for you. Happy birthday.
What is this?
It's so cute.
Oh,
Unpack it.
fruity glass.
Yeah, unpack it. It's so cute. It's a Korean brand.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh
Is
my
that
god.
right? So it's tint. It's
Uh-huh.
not glass, so it's not like very, very like bright. So it just put on a little bit color on your lips.
That's so cute. Thank you so much. All right. Time to open this.
Time to open this.
Let me.
I don't even know what inside.
Oh yeah, this the mystery, right?
Yeah, the blind box.
Let me pick. This could be. So these are all the options.
Yeah. Which one is? You wish you have which one?
Not much difference. I just hope it is. I think anything but the orange. Orange looks Anything everything else looks nice.
Okay.
Maybe not this dark green.
Yeah.
So orange or dark green is
I feel like this. Like
Yeah.
This row, they're not.
They're like
Yeah.
But anything here,
will be great. Let's see.
let's
Finger
see.
crossed.
Fingers crossed. Oh, there's 3 of them.
Oh, you got 3? They have 3? Really?
I thought it was just one. So more chances of being perfect. It's so cute.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is so creamy.
That is so cute. It's winking.
Oh my god. This one's so cute. It's like a cream.
Let's see.
I didn't even know they got 3 in here. Usually it's just one.
I know. Oh, it's the orange, but it looks cuter in person.
Oh my god, this one is so cute.
It is cute.
I prefer blind box.
It's like a mystery box, right?
Yeah.
So it could be any of these.
Oh my god, that's so
So
cute.
We don't
Okay.
know
which
until.
I'm gonna be in the back. I let the captain know. Just
Thank you.
Okay.
Let's see. This is so cute too.
Oh my
god.
god. The baby blue. Oh my god,
Everything
so
is
cute.
so cute. Thank you.
Yeah.
Serge made pizza. Let's see. Jen is vegetarian too. So you can have it. I can have the pepperoni. Creamy, spicy garlic sesame sauce. I don't know. It sounds interesting.
Do it.
That's
do
why I
it.
got
Do
it.
it. Do it. Do it. Just take something more spicy. Just take one of those.
Good. It's spicy.
Yeah, a lot. Little bit.
I'm taking a lot of risk. I don't know how it tastes like, and I just pour the whole thing in.
Oh, I thought you was watching how to do it.
Now it's time to shake. Actually, I want my regular Caesar on top of it. Because that is very little. Go on. You go. Good. I was gonna say good morning, but it's already afternoon. This vlog is supposed to be a birthday week, but we're extending it to today. Today is another Sunday. Since I started last Sunday, I guess the full week would have been up until yesterday, Saturday. But my special birthday treatment is still ongoing, so I'll just wrap it up today. We're walking to my friend's home, and she'll be cooking for us. Well, she'll be cooking for me
and
for my birthday, but you know, I'm dragging along someone else. We're gonna take a nice long walk.
This is part 1. There is part 2, but part 2 is not here yet. I don't know.
Okay. This is part 1. See? Anyways, time to open part 1.
Maybe you read it later.
Yeah. SMR. Oh, is it a bracelet? Oh, necklace? Oh, matching.
How does this? How you fit it on your neck?
I don't know. I thought like a circle. So cute.
It's a matching
Pack.
Ew.
Oh, is this the perfume?
Yep.
You said it's really good. Yay.
Yeah, that's
Because
the one you like.
I can never pick
Yeah.
perfumes.
So this both are from the same brand. That's my favorite brand all time. Really good. That's my favorite one.
What hell this?
How do you open it? Oh. Then I would break it. You just pour it.
Me likey. It's already ready. I like it.
It's spicy enough,
Yeah.
salty enough, sweet
Spicy
enough.
enough, sweet enough, everything is enough. Nothing is overpowering the other one.
Okay.
What is it? The world needs to know. Love. That's the secret ingredient? Yeah, that's true.
All gone.
All
Complete
gone. Whoa! Missed all the parts where you were mixing the matcha, but
In the cup. Nope.
oh, that's how the people do it.
Yeah.
I see.
Get a little cup of matcha and just mix everything together.
People usually put sugar or no?
No, I don't put sugar.
You don't put sugar, but people do, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's see. I think this is my maybe first.
Really? Shit. Damn. With no taste.
Sometimes people like offer, I'm like nah, but. Wow, they actually put a whole ginger.
Special.
You know, wait. I was gonna do that kid drama scene. No, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers. Go. Surprise! So we can do this right now.
You want to get this?
Yeah, just
I
now.
thought you went to meet a friend and
No.
left me alone.
I got that.
Win $1 million, so I have to have
Take
half of
5
it.
ticket.
I don't even know how to play, but. Anyways, we're starting the new year right because I got 1, 2, and 3 words. So that means I'm gonna get $2. So I got $2 here and $1 here.
Yeah.
Exciting. Thank you. That is it. Bye.